Hello students, I am Mrs. Ganga Angurai from Sant Tukaram National Model School, and in this video I am going to teach you a very important concept of grammar. Important as well as interesting also. But before teaching you our concept, I would like to tell you one story, and through that story we will find out our concept. So let us start our story. So once upon a time, do you know what happened? There was a word kingdom. Once upon a time, there was a word kingdom. And this king of the word kingdom, he was very sad. He was feeling very sad. And the reason behind that, it was the nouns which were there in a word kingdom. As it was the word kingdom, as it was the word kingdom, in that kingdom there were living words only. The words like nouns, pronouns, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunctions, such type of words were living there. But the nouns which were living there, they were very sad and they ran away into the forest. They didn't like the word kingdom, so they ran away in the forest. Do you know why they ran away in the forest? They ran away in the forest because they were thinking that we are the naming words. We are the special. We are naming words. We give names to people, person, place, animal or thing. But then also we are not getting respect. No one is giving us value, and because of that they became very sad, they became very upset, and they went into the forest, or they ran away into the forest. And then this king of our kingdom, or the king of the word kingdom, when these words, when these nouns, they ran away in the forest, he became very sad. Now he thought that if the nouns they went into the forest, if the nouns they ran away into the forest, then who will name the person, places, animals or things? And because of that, what he did, do you know? That he selected 3 detectives to find out the words. Now words they ran away into the forest. It is very necessary to find out them. So he selected 3 detectives to find out these words. And the name of those 3 detectives are A and the. Those 3 detectives were A and the. So these 3 detectives, A and the, they went into the forest. These 3 detectives, they went into the forest in search of nouns. So first of all, the first detective A. The detective A, he went into the forest and he found some nouns. Which nouns he found? You can see on the screen. He found these nouns. First of all, he found chair, then he found mango, and then he found hay. If you observe these words are starting with the consonant sound, ch. Your consonant sound is ch. It is starting with the consonant sound. This mango, this word, it is also starting with the consonant sound ma. This word hen, it is also starting with the consonant sound h. So he found those words, he found those nouns which are starting with the consonant sound. Then let us see which words or which nouns the detective Anne found. The detective Anne, he went into the forest and he found the nouns which are given here, which starts with the vowel sound. Look at this picture, apple. It starts with the vowel A, as well as it starts with the vowel sound A. It starts with the vowel sound A. So apple, this is the word which starts with the vowel sound. Then he found the he found the noun umbrella. This word or this noun umbrella, it is also starting with the vowel sound, then and also with the vowel U. Then we can see here elephant. Then he found the third noun as an elephant. Elephant, this word, this noun, it is also starting with vowel E or the vowel sound E. So the detective here, the detective and he found those nouns which starts with vowel or vowel sounds. So now our third detective, let us see what he found. Third detective also went into the forest. He was also searching for the nouns, and then this detective, he found the unique things. The first thing which is found by the detective is the sun. The second thing which he found is the moon, and the third thing which he found is the Himalaya. So he found those things which are there unique in the world, and after taking or after this, all these three detectives, that is and the, they went to their kingdom with the nouns which they found. Do you know, students, these detectives, they found the nouns. King became very happy. Now these detectives have found the nouns. Nouns have come once again, or nouns have returned to the kingdom once again, and they once again nouns they came to the kingdom. So the king, he became very happy, and then king, he took one decision. He said to these three detectives that as you have found the noun, you have to be with the noun. The king decided to place these three detectives before the noun, because the nouns, it should not run away into the forest once again, it should not go into the forest, and because of that the king, he decided to place these three detectives before the nouns. And from that time, these three detectives, and the, they come always and always before the nouns. Do you know, students, in our English grammar, these three detectives, and the, these three detectives are called as the articles. So this is the introduction to the articles. And it's more information we are going to take in our next video. In our next video, we will see its definition as well as its example and how to use these articles before the nouns. I hope, students, you have understood the introduction to the articles. Thank you and have a nice day.